Nobu feels like she knows all there is to know about her hardworking husband. And unfortunately, too much familiarity breeds contempt. But this isn't the same Kosuke Kawajiri she knew yesterday. Literally. Instead...
It's not the same, man. It's not the same, man, cause I don't know the wickedest thing about Shinobu. She never did even realize say or honor her husband. She didn't even did think about it like that. She just ended up falling in love with this serial killer who come take over her husband's life. All because him do a few things different. She basically fall in love with Kira. She thinks she her husband, but no, Kira all this time. But the dog really do seamlessly integrate himself in our life though. And change of certain things. You might get into watch it.
Kira...
Oh yeah, by the way guys, I do not own the video. This is not my original video, it's just a reaction.